In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start on eBay Desktop. The first thing you'll want to do is create your account. On your desktop browser, go directly to the eBay registration page. Once you're there, choose the account type that fits your needs. A personal account is best if you're casually shopping or selling personal items from time to time. A business account is the better choice if you run a registered company or expect to sell at a higher volume. Next, enter your details to create the account. You'll be asked for your legal name, email address, and a secure password. After that, click Create Account. eBay will then send a 6-digit security code to your email inbox. Open that message, copy the code, and enter it on your desktop screen to verify and activate your profile. This step is important because it confirms your account and helps secure it from the start. If your main goal is buying on eBay, the next step is setting up your account for faster checkout. On the eBay homepage, hover over your name in the top left corner and click Account Settings. From there, click Addresses in the left sidebar and save your delivery and billing information. Then click Payments and link your preferred payment method such as a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Doing this in advance makes future purchases much quicker and more convenient. If you want to sell on eBay, you'll also need to activate your seller dashboard. Click the Sell button in the top right corner of the screen. Then select List an Item and type any keyword to begin a temporary draft. This triggers eBay's required seller verification process. From there, enter the requested identity details, including your physical address, phone number, and tax information as required. Finally, connect a checking bank account so eBay can send your payout funds directly when your items sell. Once these setup steps are complete, you're ready to start buying, selling, or both on eBay from your desktop.